In this video, I'm going to talk to you about three ways that you can use, three absolute killer ways that you can implement to sell more products directly from your home page. I'm going to show you how you can optimize your home page. So I'm going to talk to you about using the prime real estate on your home page to showcase your very best products, the products that will encourage as many people as possible to take action and place an initial order. So these three ways that I'm going to cover are analytical tools such as Google Analytics. The number two is looking at the records from your internal site search, and I'm going to explain you that. Number three is tripwire marketing product strategy. So let's start with the number one. First off, implementing analytical tools. So we need to use analytical tools such as Google Analytics to determine which products and categories are performing. So once these are identified, you should focus your marketing efforts in promoting your top selling products. It's important to know that your overall best selling product through your business might not be the best selling product online. You can identify your most popular products online by identifying the product pages that have the highest level of traffic and the highest conversions. So these are the products that are obviously hot, so give them that extra space on your homepage. Second option is so simple, and it amazes me how some e-commerce owners ever do it. Talking about taking a look at the records from your internal site search, which are the products that are being searched a lot. If your customers are searching for certain products on your site, then make sure that those products are more featured on your site homepage. Yeah, because after all, why would you make your customers work harder to find your most in-demand products? You could make this tactic even more powerful. If you happen to sell similar products to that of the large e-commerce giants like Amazon, let's say for example you sell garden supplies, head to Amazon and type garden in the search box, and you'll start seeing a whole list of suggestions based on what has been searched on Amazon right now. You can see that ornaments, lights, and storage, for example, are very popular right now as I'm looking through it. Maybe you can use this insight to see what's selling and promote this type of products. The last tactic is by far the most powerful tactic, and in fact Amazon uses it with their Kindle. I strongly advise you to implement this tactic because I personally implemented it many times. Good news for you is that you don't need to spend a ton of money into product research and development to deploy this tactic like Amazon has to do with the Kindle. So what is the number one aim of any e-commerce website? To sell products, right? So don't forget that it's hard to get people to buy from you the first time. Once you have them as a customer, they're more likely to buy from you again rather than from a competitor's, of course. So why don't you try to get as many orders as possible and worry about the profitability a little bit later on? Like I said, Amazon does this with their Kindle. They lose money on every single Kindle they sell, but they look at the bigger picture and realize that will make more money in the long run with all those Kindle owners buy the ebooks. So a similar example might be the survival supply website, Survival Life. You offer any new visitor to the website a pocket knife for just $2, and the knife was selling in other places for about $20, and they could buy these knives from China from $1.50. So every new customer was costing them around like 50 cents plus shipping. Now this in itself it's a great deal. Buying customers for a couple of dollars, just brilliant. I mean, but as soon as these people then got people taking advantage of this insane offer, and let's face it, even if people are not looking for the knife when they came to the site, a good percentage of them would be tempted to buy anyway because it was just a great deal. They couldn't refuse. So basically, as soon as they choose to buy the discounted knife, they are immediately offered another product as an upsell and asked if they want to add it to the cart. And this second product would be a great deal for the consumer but also make the business around $10 in profit. This customer acquisition strategy is very profitable. We call this type of product a tripwire product, okay? Tripwire marketing. This is such a good deal that people can't just refuse, like I mentioned. You, of course, need to focus on getting customer buy more often, but this is a great way to sell more products directly from the homepage of your e-commerce store. So what do you do next? Well, just figure it out. I mean, ask yourself, what can you offer to your visitors for an insanely good price that literally draws them in and make them add products to their cart like crazy? This product has to be as universal as possible and highly relevant, okay, for as many of your customers as possible. Next, figure out what you can offer as an upsell that makes the whole campaign profitable. For example, find 2 products. One you can give it away, which is a giveaway. One you can make a decent profit and bank on, and offer this up in a 1 or 2 combo type approach. If you can get people to take action on the front of your website with an insanely good offer, offer them a product that makes the whole acquisition strategy pay for you. This is a very powerful way to get more people buying from your e-commerce website and building that customer base. I'll catch you soon in the next video.